Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a professional touch to your Wix website by including an email contact section, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super straightforward way to add your or your company's email address to your site using Wix's built-in features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it easy for your visitors to reach you, and trust me, it'll only take a few minutes, even if you've never done it before. So let's dive right in. First things first, on your Wix site editor, you'll want to add a new element. This is where all the building blocks for your website live. So look for the button or tab that says Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. Think of this as opening your toolbox. You'll see options for text, images, buttons, and more. In our case, we're looking for a footer because that's one of the most common places for contact info and email addresses. It's right where visitors expect to find them. Now, once you're there, use the search bar at the top and simply type in footer. You'll see a bunch of different footer styles pop up. For this demo, pick one that specifically has an email section in it. You don't need anything fancy, just make sure there's a space for email, since that's the whole point of today's tutorial. If you're not sure which one to choose, hover over them to get a quick preview. You're looking for a layout that has a clear and visible email spot. Once you've picked your footer, click on it, and it'll instantly drop onto your web page. You can move it around either directly at the bottom as your main footer or even just above your existing footer if you want to keep things neat for now. Don't worry too much about exact placement while you're setting this up. You can always adjust it later until it feels just right on your page. Alright, now it's time to make this footer your own. Double-click right on the section with the email address. This will open up the editing options, letting you change the text. Here, simply erase the placeholder email and type in your actual email address or your company, if that's what you need. Double-check for typos. You want visitors to reach you, not bounce back with an email error. Now you'll notice a little link icon next to the email address you just entered. Go ahead and click on that. This part is important because we want people to be able to contact you with a single click. When you hit the link icon, you'll see an option specifically for email. Select that, then enter your email address in the prompt. What you're doing here is turning that plain text into a clickable mail-to link, so that when someone clicks on it, their email client pops up, all ready to send you a message. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in your site's usability. We're almost done. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. Click on the Preview button at the top right of the Wix editor. This step lets you see and interact with your website just like a real visitor would. Go down to your footer and click on the email link you set up. If everything's working, your default email application should pop up, ready to send you a message. If not, just hop back into the editor to fix the email address or the link. And that's it. You've added a clickable contact email to your Wix site, a small upgrade, but super important for building trust and making it easy for people to reach you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any trouble, and don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and easy how-tos. I'm always here to help you get the most out of your site. See you in the next video.